Hi everybody, back here, EMD Automotive, Paul speaking. I just want to let you know, actually show you guys what I'm doing today. Today I'm doing a 986 Boxster. Got a lot of Boxster in the workshop, 986. I finished a PCM upgrade on that one there, so it's all done, ready for the camshaft. Sorry, camshaft and PCM is done. And IMS bearing. So this one here I'm doing a clutch. So just remove the gearbox now, right off. And then now I've got the clutch here, so the flywheel now, I'm going to remove the flywheel to do the actual rear main seal because the oil leak there. And that's the actual vapor separators right there, so it's leaking as well. So I might have to ring the customer, let him know. Might as well get it done now, it's easier to get to now than after. But look at the clutch. Oh, look at the rivets, worn pretty bad, look at that. So that's the clutch there. Really worn, so it's bad. Even the fingers, they're all bent. All the fingers bent, so okay. I'll get that done, and then I'll go from there for road test and play the clutch as well, and then do another video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.